Hello dog lovers, welcome to Healthy Hounds. Today, we're exploring 5 brilliant toys that boost your dog's health and happiness. First, interactive puzzle feeders. Perfect for mental stimulation and promoting better digestion. Next, dental chew toys. Dual-purpose toys that promote good oral health and satisfy the instinct to chew. Then, the classic tug-of-war rope. An excellent bonding and exercise tool promoting strength and coordination. Fourth, squeaky plush toys. Great for stress relief and releasing pent-up energy. Lastly, agility sets. Ideal for improving balance, coordination, and overall fitness. Remember, every dog is unique, so mix and match. Thanks for joining Healthy Hounds. Like, subscribe and share. Keep those tails wagging and paws playing.